line up pretty good. Take that screw out right away just so that I can get the door off. That kind of locks the door in place with that screw there. All the hardware for the internet connection out. Really, we just lightened it up as much as we could, so we're not. All right, one more time. hot leg for the light. And I won't be mounting a GFI inside here because we are GFI protected down here. So if anything, I'm replacing the GFI down here. But this is going to be our hot leg, and this is going to send power down to the GFI. So we'll make sure we wire, we leave the switch on all the time, or we'll just wire nut it and put a blank cover plate on that one. Turn the relay. Power the light. Pump and heater. Look up our transformer. So we're going to do 120. So violet is neutral, black is hot, yellow is capped. Share that with the hot leg of the light so we can actually go up here. Because it's before the GFI, I can plug this into here, and if the GFI trips, it's not going to power down the automation. So we'll be using the same 110 line for that. And then we'll take that is our high voltage wiring for this system. It's a super simple system. Most of the stuff's going to be features that are being used, not auxiliaries. Position is. Position. There's the JVAs. Communication wire up through the side of the unit. Plug into the front up here. And I like to throw a little knot in it. That way if anyone trips over it, steps on it or anything, you got a little bit of a cushion. Now let's get our spiders. You don't know where they're at, so you reach over here with your hand and you press down on it and it gets you. High voltage comm done, both JVAs. Still got to drill the temp sensor, but it's there. Wires in here, air sensor. Now I'm wondering if the SuperFlow variable speed would communicate with the Intellicenter. It's dated for 21, some of the newer models do, but for that we would need a communication wire. Alright, drop down the board. That's going to be our heat pump. We'll hook that up last. This is going to be our water temperature sensor. Bring that up and over. And again, on these, you can pull off these pin connectors and it kind of tells you like this is going to be for the IS4 remote, so that wasn't what we were looking for. We should be looking for this guy right here. It's going to tell us the water, solar, air. So this was our water sensor. So we'll plug it into the 1 and 2 on this one. And now we'll bring our air sensor up. That plugged in. That's good. This is going to be our gas heater. Let's go over there. Cut off our excess. That's going to be our low voltage heater connection. Got our JVAs. This one had less meat on it, so that's going to be our return. Into the return spot. We'll take our other JVA. That's the intake. Light. Put light into box 1. We'll still have a couple extra empties. If it wants to hook yard lights or anything else up into here, we can. Low voltage besides that one. that portion. And I just gotta clean up my wires, wire nut them, or zip tie them all together, get them up off the ground. I might pull a little bit more slack up into the box, and then we'll get on to programming.